Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I am your host, Akanksha, bringing you today's biggest tech updates, from stock market rebounds to groundbreaking AI advancements. We have got everything you need to stay ahead in the tech world. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Asian stocks bounce back. Tech stocks across Asia Pacific surged today after a strong rally on Wall Street. The fears around Chinese AI model DeepSeek shaking up the industry have cooled down, giving investors confidence to jump back in. Meanwhile, the dollar remained as traders moved from safe haven currencies. While the Lunar New Year holidays meant limited trading in China, Hong Kong, and other major markets, but Japan's Nikkei climbed 0.5%, while Australia's benchmark index gained 0.8%, all thanks to tech stocks leading the charge. Dow Jones futures take a hit. The US stock market saw some losses today, with Dow Jones future dipping along with S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures. Investors are anxiously awaiting major earnings reports from giants like Meta, Microsoft, and ServiceNow. Despite AI-driven volatility, key stocks like ServiceNow, Shopify, and CrowdStrike signaled potential buy opportunities. With the Federal Reserve's big decision on the horizon, the market is gearing up for a roller coaster ride. Stay tuned, because this could shape the next big trends in tech investing. Cyber attack strikes, DeepSeek security concerns rise. Chinese AI giant DeepSeek has hit a roadblock after facing a major cyber attack. The breach exploited weakness in its open source framework, forcing the company to halt new user registrations. This attack highlights the growing risks in AI security, proving that even the biggest players are vulnerable. As AI continues to evolve, cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. L&T Technology lands a whopping $80 million deal. India's L&T Technology Services has just bagged an $80 million contract with a US-based sustainability-focused manufacturer. The deal involves setting up a center of excellence to accelerate digital transformation, reinforcing the tech industry's push towards green and sustainable innovation. A huge win for L&T and a step forward in tech sustainability for sure. AI takes over arbitration, a legal tech revolution. AI is now stepping into the legal world. A new arbitration platform co-founded by Brian Potts and Harvard Law student Kimo Gandel, which aims to automate key decision-making processes in legal disputes. Well, this innovation could revolutionize the legal industry, making arbitration faster, cheaper, and more efficient. So are we ready to trust AI with legal verdicts? Only time will tell. So that's a wrap for today's top tech news. Stay ahead of the game with daily updates from our channel Analytics Insight. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update. See you in another video.